Virtual functions are special functions provided by Godot. In this video, we are going to cover the following virtual functions: enter tree, ready, exit tree, process, and physics process. There are other virtual functions as well. We will leave them for later tutorials. Godot automatically invokes virtual functions at specific times. Enter tree is invoked every time the node is added to the scene tree. It can be used to do some setups. Ready is invoked after a node and its children are fully added to the scene tree. It is invoked after enter tree, and it also can be used to do some setups. Unlike enter tree, ready is typically invoked only once in the node's life cycle. There is also exit tree, which is invoked every time the node is removed from the scene tree. It can be used to clean up resources like disconnecting signals. To see these virtual functions in action, let's look at this example. We have a sprite node and a child label node. We are printing a statement in each virtual function for both the sprite and the label node. When we run the scene, enter tree is invoked for the sprite node first. Then it is invoked for its child label node. Then the ready function is invoked for the label node, then the sprite node. If we remove these nodes from the scene tree, exit tree will be invoked for the label node first, because it is removed first. Then it is invoked for the sprite node. Now every time you add the nodes, enter tree will be invoked, and every time you remove them, exit tree will be invoked. Another two very important virtual functions are process and physics process. Process is invoked every frame, so if your game is running at 144 frames per second, Godot will try to invoke this function 144 times per second. The function has a delta parameter, which is the time elapsed in seconds since the previous call to process. It can be used to make movements or animations frame rate independent. Process can be used for non-physics related updates, like moving a sprite. Physics process is invoked every physics frame at fixed time steps. It can be used to handle physics related updates, like moving kinematic bodies. You can edit the rate at which physics process is invoked in the project settings in the physics comment section. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.